Hello everyone, hurry up. Only a few hours left to apply for Philips internship and this opportunity won't wait. And let's move on to the company intro. Click on the link present in the description. Company name Philips, a global technology company focused on health technology, improving people's health and well-being through meaningful innovation and product used in healthcare, home and customer markets. And coming to the location, often in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Typical this role is internship and its duration was 6 months. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, working on your real world projects in your field like engineering, software businesses, and supply chain, etc. Collaborating with team to design, test, build, or analyze product and process. Participating in regular teamwork, meeting, and reviews, gaining hand on experience. Learning tools, workflows, and industry methods directly applicable to your career path. Who can apply? Students or recent graduates in relevant disciplines like engineering, tech, and business, etc. Passion for innovation, problem solving, and interest in healthcare, technology domains. Internship open for freshers and finalist students. And coming to the selection process, typically it was a submit application through official Philips career portal. Shortlisting, HR screens, resumes, interviews, and final round was offer letter. And so that's it, guys. Philips internship is a golden opportunity if you want a real industrial explore in a global healthcare technology company. You will work on real projects, learn from top professions, and build profile that actually matters in MNCs. If this helpful, kindly share with your friends. Thank you.